Manufacturing is exciting. I'm sure the American manufacturing will become much more exciting and much more advanced through the advances in AI and robotics. I'm certain that the advanced robots will manufacture fabulous and fantastic things on Earth and in outer space for human consumption. The advanced robots of the not so distant future will manufacture everything humans can use. Advanced robots will manufacture artificial nuclear fusion powered interplanetary spaceships and mass scale outer space human habitats. Advanced robots will increase the manufacturing capacity and capability of humans on Earth and in outer space. A quick advertisement before I continue on this topic: you can invest in my startup company with as little as $100 for supporting advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion powered outer space tech. Visit robocentric.com/investors to invest in my startup. I have a multi-decade commitment to advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion powered outer space tech. To learn more about my cause, check out my books, which are available at robocentric.com/checkout, Amazon, Apple Books, Spotify, and other online audio retailers. Now back to the main content. The continuing advances in AI and robotics will empower America's manufacturing. The next generation AI and robotics technologies will increase America's manufacturing. America has invented and mass-produced some pretty exciting things in the past 200 years or so. Adding the next generation AI and robotics technologies to the American manufacturing is exciting because it will open doors for America to invent and mass-produce even more exciting things, not just on Earth, but much more importantly, in outer space. I'm confident that America will create and mass produce phenomenal goods in the not so distant future via using the next generation AI and robotics technologies. I certainly keep on doing my part in advancing America's manufacturing via the next generation AI and robotics technologies. Phenomenal human creativity and productivity await in America via the next generation AI and robotics technology tools. This is time for America's manufacturing to grow and expand yet again via advancing AI and robotics. You can invest in my startup company with as little as $100 for supporting advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion powered outer space tech. Visit robocentric.com/investors to invest in my startup. My books on advancing AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion powered outer space tech are available at robocentric.com/checkout, Amazon, Apple Books, Spotify, Google Play Store, and other online audio retailers. I am Alan Young. I'm an Asian American man who focuses on advancing AI, robotics, human longevity, biotech, and nuclear fusion powered outer space tech. Message me or call me anytime on the social media if you'd like to discuss investing in my high-tech startup.